asking, Joshua, who shall go and command my armies? And the Bible says, in the days of Joshua, such was as the Midianites. There's all resistance against him. The Bible says Joshua did not sleep. Joshua became stronger. Yes, the first 7 on God. About my problem, about my shame, about my pain. Wicked and God is real. Wicked and God is real in the problem. Don't worry about the problem. Wicked and God is real. The man of God is